Howdy guys! Jude and I are going to do some geocaching today. We got the Pop-Tarts, so we're ready to go.
So where's the first spot?
Oh, we're skating to them?
Were you gonna drive there?
Yeah! I thought we were going to be in a car.
Oh, here
You just brought this Pop-Tart.
I thought you were just being cool, man.
No! Let's find some geo spots. Look at all those. That's so many.
It's hot.
It's very steamy.
How you feel?
What's that?
How you feel, Dick?
Yeah, actually. Wow.
He's telling you.
Oh,
Thank
wow.
He's helping you cheat.
Awesome.
Oh, look at that. A tube.
What's in it?
A marble. And an eraser.
Well, that was fun.
I put your hook back on the thing.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome. Have fun.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Our next one brought us to McDank's. Oh,
Nerfing?
nothing. Just a long list from Hope College. That was fun.
You found it.
We did find it. Sweet.
WAWL, the voice of the Tri-Cities. Oh no, we're trapped. It said it's a lamp posty.
Okay.
Here, I'll just cut out the middleman.
This one?
Is it this one? Oh my
I think
goodness.
so.
There it is.
Would you? Oh, just another empty. Mad Ski Deluxe YouTube post. How's it going, guys? I am so sorry it's taken me so long to put out this vlog. I had a rough week last week. Nothing really happened. I just, well, I struggle with depression, and I'm sure, as most of you know, depression can come out of nowhere. So that's kind of what happened. But I'm getting better now. But that's the reason why it's taken me so long to put out this vlog. I am so sorry. From here on out, I'm really going to try to stick to my routine of every week. That day of the week that I post may change periodically. But every week is definitely the goal. Before I get started, I got some new piercings. I got a nose piercing, lip thing, and I dyed my hair black, and I have more of a mullet now. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my new car. I am so excited. I bought a different car 2 or 3 months ago, but it was kind of just a lame, like, little Ford car. And I've always really liked Volkswagens. I've had 2 of them so far, and I love them. So I found a 2001 Volkswagen Golf, and it is a manual transmission, which is awesome. So it has a custom exhaust pipe, so it's super loud. It's awesome. I don't know how much my neighbors appreciate it, but I definitely think it's pretty groovy. So this is the back. It's so cute and tiny. Oh my goodness. Here's the back seat. You know, it's an older car, but I love it, dudes. It is like, it is beyond cool. Such a blast to drive. Here's the front. There's the front. Woo! So, I've never done a car tour before. This is super weird. Yeah, so the guy left these dice in there, so that's pretty cool. Never had dice in my car, but, steering wheel, all that good stuff. It has a newer stereo put into it, and the speakers on this thing are banging. I'm telling you, it is like, it's awesome. It's super cool. But yeah, here's the shifter. So much fun. Focus for me. There you go. Got the clutch, the brake, and the gas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I am beyond sorry that it took me so long to get this vlog out. Like I said, from here on out, I am definitely going to be sticking to my once a week routine. If for whatever reason something happens and I can't put something out on a week, I will definitely put something in my Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're all enjoying your summer, and I will see you guys next week.